Hi, and welcome back to the Edit Room. I'm John Ballou. Today I'm going to show you how to create an email notification from Final Cut Pro 10 using Automator. Automator is an application that uses a lot of different actions, but today I'm going to only show you 3 actions. And those actions are launch application, new mail message, and send outgoing message. It's pretty simple to do, but something else to note is that it does not work with compressor settings. So let me show you how this works. So here I am inside of Automator, and this is the list of all the actions that you could use. And I'm just going to search for launch application, and I'll just drag this over to the area here. And the application I want to launch is my mail application. Make sure that your mail's application is set up to do this. Otherwise, you might be able to use Outlook. I just don't. I've never used Outlook myself. So there's mail, and the next action I want to do is a new message, new mail message, and I'll set that to email myself, and I'll set the subject to FCP X has finished exporting, or whatever you want. And the message could be done, and you can send from your default account if you want. Now the next thing that you need to do is send the message. Seems pretty simple, so I'm going to say sent outgoing message. Now if I left it as is, then what would end up happening is that it would try to attach the exported file in my mail message. I don't want to do that. So under options here, I'm going to choose ignore this action's input, and then I'll save it. And I've saved it as an application on the desktop versus a workflow. A workflow in Automator is just what you see here. It's editable, and you can click run, and it runs from action to action to action. But when you save it as an application, it takes input from other applications. So you want to save it as an application versus a workflow. So now let me set it up in Final Cut. So here I am in my timeline, and I'm going to go to Share, and I'll say Master File, and I'll go under Settings. I'm going to open with the email notification. Now you'll have to choose Other, and then you'll go to, like I said, I saved it on my desktop here, email notification for Final Cut Pro, and there's the application icon. And then I'll click Next, and I'll just save that to the desktop as well. Now it's exporting. Now when Final Cut finishes, I get the email notification letting me know that I can come back to my computer and continue to do what I need to do. If you want to learn more, visit johnballou.com, and I'll see you next time in the Edit Room.